You are magicians, right? Yes. Magician of Excel, right? It's okay. I came here, right? It's clear, no? Okay. Right now I move cursor here in the last one. Just after this. After 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay? Okay. After 5 minutes, 2 minutes, huh? After. Alt key hold, then range is not stuck up, right?
I'm sorry,
Alt key hold, equal.
equals.
Enter, that's it.
Yeah, okay.
Enter.
R, enter.
You see again, Alt key hold, equal. Don't hold key. After this, don't hold, then press enter only.
Why no? Yeah.
Is okay?
Yes.
Done? Good?
Yes.
Mashallah. Last exercise, then we will give 5 minutes break, okay? Salesman, right?
So we'll do this one.
Okay, salesman, okay?
So that's a salesman.
Next one,
Journey.
journey.
J-A-R-L-E-N.
J-A-R-L-E-N.
N-E. Yeah, correct. No, L-E-N-E. Yes.
Jalni. And
H.
yes, anybody can write name.
Henry.
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 What spelling?
H-E.
H-E.
R-I-Y.
R.
N.
N.
No, hen.
Hen.
R-Y.
R-Y.
Muhammad. Muhammad.
M-U-M-M-A.
Yes. Gajendra.
Gajendra.
G-A.
G-E.
A. J.
J.
E.
E.
N.
N. D. R. A. N.
And I don't know the name. Your name? Samim.
Samir.
Samim.
Samim.
A-M-I-M.
Samim.
And last one.
Amin.
Amin.
Okay. I came here week 1 sale, right? Week 1.
Okay.
And drag it, right? Up to week 6, right?
Week 1. We are right up to week 6. It's a tree.
Okay. After selection, don't use mouse. Okay, sir? After selection, don't use mouse. Don't use arrow keys. Okay? Just put number, any number, right? Okay? 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,500, 12,500, 1,000, 1500, 1500, 2500, 3500, 18500, 17500, 20500. You see, my columns cannot move cursor next column, right?
Yeah.
Automatically my values move, right? After selection, don't use mouse, don't use arrow. Just push number, enter, number, enter, number, enter, right? Okay, number, enter, number, enter, number, enter, number, enter. Okay, sir? It's okay?
Tapos, i-highlight mo siya. Highlight mo hanggang week 6. Ay, hindi. Tanggalin mo muna. Among numbers. Pati yan numbers. Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo. Tapos highlight mo siya. Yan, hanggang Muhammad. Yan. O, tapos mag-type ka. Type na po? Oo, numbers. Tapos enter. Yun, tapos enter.
No easy?
Enter.
Up to this one?
Okay, enter.
Right now, this is my
Automatic na siya.
table here, right, sir?
Dito siya. So, after ito,
Bold, right? maybe different color, right?
Amazing.
Okay, can I select this one quickly? My one blank column here, right? I have one blank column inside. My cursor here, right? How can select quickly?
Again.
I can select this one, right? This database separate, this is separate. One column is blank, right? How can select quickly? Control A. Press Control A.
Yeah.
My data select, right? Okay. If my cursor here, press Control A, only this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If cursor on the blank cell,
Because there's a blank.
if the cursor on the blank, when press Control A entire, right?
Yeah, all.
Okay, sir. If my cursor here, how can select? Very good. Control A, right? It's okay. My data select, right?
Yeah.
Can you put border? I need borders, right? Inside border, outside border,
I'm using mouse now.
without using mouse, right? You know, you go to imagine you are the first class of English, right? English lecture, first one. What is the first lesson of English? The alphabets. What is the first lesson? A, B. A for apple, right? B for ball, right?
C for cat.
C for cat. Okay. Okay.
D for dog.
Yeah. So you can not use A, B. You use B, A, right? You use Alt H, B, A. Separate. Alt H, B, A. Borders come, right? H,
A,
B, B for boy.
B.
B for border.
Because the okay.
And A.
All words.
Alt H, B, A.
You put it
H, B. B for border. A for all. Alt H, B, A. Okay, ji? Alt H, B, A, right?
One A. Make it bold on your own. Alt H one. H B. I want thick.
A, C, T, as one. This is again. Alt H, B, A. Okay. I would like to see my columns are fit, right? According to my text. Is okay? How can column width? Okay. Later I will discuss, okay? This one after break.
Okay.
So this one is clear up to this.
Yes.
Can I select only this one? Only this one.
I'm sorry. What?
I just move cursor here, shift key hold. You just select. What is my requirement? I would like to copy same format, same text, same column copy on the right hand side. What I'm doing before, I'm just select copy and paste. Right? Before I'm doing this, I just select on there, right? You press Control R. Control key hold R. Same data copy on the right side, right?
One control
R. Right? Control R, right fill. Okay, sir? Can you change the heading total? My cursor here, Control Shift down arrow, delete. Same like here, right? I came here, Shift key hold, and selection on this area, right? You press here, Control D.
Control D.
Control D, down fill, right? Control D.
Yes.
Right? Same pattern copy down, right? Okay, sir? Can you put here, sir, total? Control Shift right arrow, delete.
Control Shift.
Right arrow. May all data select, right? At the same time. Delete. Is okay, sir? You got it?
Yes.
Good. Okay, sir, I need a total here, right? How much total sale of Alia, right?
I wish I would remember all the codes.
How can you get totals?
Some.
You write formula equal sum, give the range, right? Alt equal, right?
Yeah.
Alt key hold and equal.
Yes.
Enter.
Enter.
You see what happened? Formula is coming, right?
Yes.
Right? I came here, alt key hold, equal. Row wise total is coming, right? My move cursor here, alt key hold. Right? Alt key hold and equal sign.
Enter.
Enter. What is the next step? You came here, you want to copy, right? You see, go to this square box. My cursor sign change. If cursor here, my cursor sign thick. If move cursor on border, 4 arrow keys come. Right? If my cursor on this square box, my plus sign thin. Right? Okay?
I don't know what happened. It can't be too much.
What happened? Very big.
Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Windows at the finger. I press
Just window, right? Is okay, sir?
yes.
Otherwise, what are you doing? You are copy paste, right? You imagine this is to drag 100,000 rows. It takes too much time, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
You just move cursor here.
Okay.
Da.
My cursor sign thin, right?
Yes.
Double click. That's it.
Double
Double click formula copy, right?
I'm drawing.
No need.
Yeah. Before I'm dragging.
Yes. You imagine very big database.
Yeah, if it's long. Nice.
Just double click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Double click lang pala.
Automatically formula copied. Rest of cell, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do here, right? Alt key hold, equal sign, column total come, right?
Yes. Alt equal.
Enter. Is okay, sir?
Yes.
So you can, here is not double click, right? Here you can drag, right?
Ay, ayaw ka na double click.
Same on the
Drag.
Right? But this is very hectic job. Okay, sir? This is a very hectic job. You are doing firstly column total, then drag, right? Then column total, then row wise total, then this and drag.
Paano ginawa mo?
Okay, can I do only one step?
Drag mo lang siya.
Right? Can I do only one step? I don't want to do this, right? Okay, control Z. You can do control Z, control Z, control Z, right? Control Z, come back.
Yeah.
But no need totals. I just data, right? My cursor here, right? Okay. Control shift right arrow, down arrow. Control key hold,
Okay.
Control.
control shift hold,
Control shift.
right arrow,
Right arrow.
down arrow.
Right
My data select,
arrow.
right?
Yeah.
And down arrow.
Yeah.
Ay,
Is okay?
Kayong dalawa.
what happened? It come to 104.
Control out na. Control S. 10,000.
Only one time.
Control shift.
Is okay, sir? Control shift right arrow and down arrow. Right, sir?
Ilalim ka na pinapaano ka na. Control
Okay.
up, ay,
Only shift key hold.
Control up ka na.
Shift key hold, right arrow, down arrow. Next column, next row. Okay, sir?
Control
No, shift only. Simple shift.
right.
Shift only. Shift. Shift key hold.
Shift only.
Yes.
And then?
Right arrow
Right arrow.
and down arrow.
Down arrow.
Ay,
Next column, next row.
Okay.
Okay.
okay. I get it.
I need total here, right?
Yes, I get it.
Okay. What is shortcut key?
Shift.
Alt equal.
Then down. Okay.
Alt key hold. Press Alt.
Alt
Equal.
equal.
At the same time. Row wise total, column wise total, grand total, right?
Yeah. Nice. It's very easy.
0, 0, 0 po.
And how to implement this?
No, it's okay. No, it's reading now. It shows.
It's okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You got it?
Yes, Prof. It's like a massage student. Oh.
Shift like that. Okay.
And down arrow.
Then Alt.
Equal.
Ayun.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, can you put commas? The amount is not easily readable, right? If I put comma here, this is the formatting, right? In the home tab, you see comma format.
Yeah, I will just.
If you click on comma, what happens? There are two decimals come, right? You click here, comma. You can decrease decimal from here, right? 2 times decrease.
Yeah.
You click here, right?
Yes.
I don't want to do this, right? Can I do one step?
How?
Before is general, right? By default is general format. Okay?
Yes.
You see, don't go to comma. You see, go to cell styles. You see cell styles?
Yes.
You click on cell styles. You see comma 0 here? Comma 0?
Yeah.
Cell
styles.
Yes. You see comma 0?
Yes.
You click on this, no need decrease decimal.
Where's the comma zero?
Oh.
Will automatically.
No. Automatically round 0, right?
Ayun. Oh. Again.
How about, for example, for sales, I'm always doing the report. I want to
Cell
get
styles.
I mean the percentage.
Ayun.
Okay.
Again.
Later?
Is that clear, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No problem?
No, bro.
So right now is the break for 10 minutes.
Not for me, everybody.
Yes, sir. Everybody wants.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 minutes break. You want to take tea, maybe smoking, maybe anyone, right? Right? So after 10 minutes, okay. So this lecture is recorded right